Hi guys, welcome to Cortex. Today a video about the new Park Assist Plus on the ID3, ID4 and ID5 with the memory function. So the new version, you can remember the places you've parked. You can store some parking locations. So if you have done the parking, if you get out of the car says around here, safe parking place. So to remember the things you've done to park the car here. And next time you will come there, I'll show you in a while. So when you drive near the parking place, the car says location, and you need to stop, press brake and press start. So I press start now. The car is steering itself, driving to the front. So I obviously parked it not the way it used to be, but the car steers itself, drives itself, and even will go back. So what we see now, camera's using steerings automatically. And it's done. So the car switches off the start function automatically. It says parking function done, and it's ready. So right now even the contact is off. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time.